Hey, what's up, Pittsburgh? I'm Gene with Dent Repair Now. We're a paintless dent repair company. We're located right on Campbell's Run, just outside of downtown, right next to the Parkway. Everybody knows that paintless dent repair is great for fixing little door dings and minor dents like that. Today, I want to show you some of what is possible with bigger, crazier damage. We pride ourselves in being Pittsburgh's specialist when it comes to large dent, paintless dent repair. Check out some of these examples.
All right, let's kick it off with the Cadillac XTS tailgate. Boom, dent is gone like it never happened. Onto a 2018 Chevy Silverado that went around a turn carrying a fifth wheel trailer. We saved the bedside all with a paintless repair. This fender on the Subaru Forester is one of the nastiest things we've ever done. We saved it from the body shop and it was done in just a couple of days instead of a couple of weeks. Honda Fit got backed into, you see the scrapes and scratches. We polished them all away, fixed the dent, it's ready for a touch-up. On to our Chevy Colorado fender. That's a big old ugly dent right there through the body line. All back to good as new. The customer even gave us a video testimonial. Someone kicked this Mercedes quarter panel in front of their home. We saved all the factory paint. Oh, that's an ugly one in a Kia fender. Gone like it never happened. Someone backed into this Chevy Equinox door. It came out beautiful. The customer was thrilled to death. Oh, that's a nasty dent on the back of that Explorer. It's gone.
All right, I hope you were impressed with some of those repairs. I know I've spent a long time perfecting the techniques to make them happen. If you have damage that looks like that you think might be a candidate, visit our website at dentrepairnow.com, or you know what? Shoot a text to Jennifer at 724-554-1756. She'll walk you right through the process, help you qualify. Yes, we can fix it. You do need a body shop. Make sure you let us take a look at it. Even if you've been to a body shop and they said paintless dent repair won't work, we've fixed tons of cars that paintless dent repair did work for. So make sure you come and check us out. I hope to get to meet you pretty soon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you.